I grew up in Mexico City. When I immigrated, it took me about 2 years to fully learn the English language. It only took me 1 year to get involved in student government. I felt like if I was gonna come to CSUN, I was gonna be the best that I could be. So actually, my freshman year, I walked into the AS office and I talked to the president at the time, who was Sebag Alexanian, and I reached out to him and I say, I wanna be you in a couple years. How do I become you? He got me involved, he got me my first opportunity, and then after that, I never left Associated Students. When I was campaigning, I had a student come up to me and say, I'm gonna vote for you. And I said, oh, thank you so much. Let me tell you about my goals. And she said, no, I'm gonna vote for you because 3 years ago, you saw me and I was carrying my books and I couldn't do it anymore. And you helped me and you walked me all the way to the library. And that's why I'm voting for you. And I didn't even know that. I didn't remember this person. I didn't remember that I had done that, but it just meant so much to see how much impact you can have on one individual student. As president, that feeling was amplified. It was a lot about how can I approach one person every day to make the change that I need in the next year. I think it's not a secret to anyone that the times that we're in right now are historic. Our students have been innovative, they've been persistent, and their passion does not stop them. And I've seen a lot of that during this time. Coming to CSUN and making it to a 4-year university wasn't handed to them. It wasn't a right, it was a privilege. And they know that. They hold that education standard very high for themselves. I think in the upcoming years, our students are gonna be the ones that are gonna fix all of the problems that this has caused. I want to continue advocating, and I'm gonna continue doing that through my graduate school because I am also going to be a graduate student, and I'm excited to pass on the torch to the next student government president as well.